Model, 2018 Ford Transit T350L3H2 Mark 8 Aircon Euro 6 ULEZ compliant MOT'D. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 251468. MOT, 15 March 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash for the rear passenger side wheel speed sensor, nice easy cheap repair, and one with a set of spanners can replace this grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,